Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Coinbase wallet. And then when you open up your wallet, in the main page, you will see at the top of the page these three options: send, receive, or trade. So if you want to receive Bitcoin, you will have to tap on the receive button. Then here you will see all kinds of cryptocurrencies, pretty much all of the top main ones. It's quite a lot. Then you have to choose Bitcoin. And here you have different options. The main and easiest option is using the QR code and the blockchain link. Here, if you use this QR code, the sender can scan your QR code and send you the Bitcoin. Or you can use the username and they can find you on Coinbase by this username and send to you the Bitcoin that they want. You can also copy your link and send it on any other social media platforms or messaging apps, and that's pretty much it. You can use the SegWit and the Legacy QR code as well. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.